Hello, guys. We are here for the Blofeld Cat and Top 10 match. I am super excited. One of my favorite teams is playing. They're going up against one of, them. But I am Jacob London, and I am joined by Matthew Kearns, Kristen Smith, and Chris Clark. Matt, how are you?
I'm doing really good. I'm looking forward to today's match. This is sure to be an interesting reaction.
Very interesting indeed. Kristen Smith, how are you?
I'm doing great. I'm ready for top 10 to win this match and then move on and win the tournament. That'd be great.
And Clark, are you going to be a little nervous in this one?
I'm going to be nervous, and yes, Mr. Nost, I expect you to die. You guys are all, you top 10, you are going down, brothers. Brothers, you are going down. The Hades is going to go upon you, and you're going to boom. This is going to be great. This is going to be amazing. We got to rock this. I really, really, really want to see this. Let's do this, Jacob. Let's do this.
All right. Just before we do start, I do just want to give our thoughts and prayers with everyone in Florida and in the pathway of Hurricane Irma. We do have, this one does hit a little close to home as well, because we do have a, member of Take 3 is in the warpath of the hurricane. Evan, we hope you're okay. We're still chatting with him. If for anyone who is worried, Evan is fine. He is annoying us as always, but he is fine. But yeah, we do. Our thoughts and prayers go to everyone affected by this hurricane. But guys, let's just let's bring the mood up a bit. Who have we got winning? Kristen, who you got?
Top 10. Umaye.
Matt.
Top 10 by the slightest of margins, just because Matt Nost and John Roca do top 10 show every week, so every week they're talking about movies, whereas Andreyko and Burnett, I'm not sure how much time they've been spending together.
Chris Clark, do I need to ask?
You have to ask. Burnett and Android are going to bring them to a sizzle, and it's going to be great. Let's do this, guys.
And I have top 10, obviously. All right, guys. We hit play in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, play.
I think the reaction could easily just be you, Jacob, and Chris, and it'd be fine.
You were losing. You answered 3 in a row. You beat a great opponent, Hector Navarro. He was a great opponent.
Oh my
now,
gosh.
You're a champion.
Back when they were the actual horsemen.
Yep.
I miss it.
Oh,
Those
made
were
my
the
life
days.
Made my life easy.
So much changes in a year, or not even really a year.
Back in the day.
The horse people.
Are you telling me that
the
I
horse
get to be an
person.
acolyte of Apocalypse? Is that what you're saying? Yeah. I'm on it. I'm on your team. I join.
Pestilence.
Ugh. I mean, I know they're good.
No,
but
yeah,
just, ugh.
it's yuck. It's no.
Aw,
They're the team that I love to hate.
that's the point.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my
the
god,
best.
Mance, that was amazing when
Mance
Mance came out.
Hold on to the belts,
Yeah.
please. Toonland. Just tell yourself, Toonland. Just keep repeating that to
Times
yourself.
have certainly
Toonland.
changed.
You guys
Aw,
realize
I
this is
love
all
that
scripted?
Nost on the
Trust me,
mic.
I am going to be beating myself up until we get a shot at a rematch with those assholes.
It's been a long time,
They're going
SPR.
down.
Team top 10. We got a legion of fans behind us. They want us to do what that energy is going to carry us to destroy these two jokes, these two pretenders, these paper champions. Raven, your winner! Little Evil and the Instant.
God,
The
That
shit
hurt.
talk here is going to be great.
I'm so happy we're not gonna
Yeah,
see
that
these
one
guys
was
anymore.
rough.
Right, I mean, Roca was that really Roca? Was that somebody else playing?
That was rough. I mean, did they even come to play today?
They
What
had a
is that? I mean,
glazed
we're gonna
over
go
look.
party. They're gonna go cry.
Somebody check on Roca. I'm worried about him. He looks so sad. He's like Eeyore walking around here, just head down, dragging his feet. I mean,
Put him in protective custody for the weekend.
Look, this was a team loss between the two of us. I've been in his position before where I felt like I lost it for the two of us, and I know that's not the case.
No.
we're both equally in this together. So we lost, and I don't know how we lost. To be perfectly honest.
Yeah. What is next? What is next for you? What is next for us horse persons? I don't know. I've never had a loss like this, so I don't know. I mean, all the other losses, it always came down to the last question. I always thought I had it. This is something else, and I don't know. It might be time for me to go back and take a look at my strategy. You know, I've kind of carried myself over the last year in a certain way to kind of get to positions. I've won titles. Listen, I'm a winner, goddammit. And I may go down and I may take this hard for a day or two, but then I bounce back. People making fun of my records, haven't even kissed belts. They've never touched belts. So what I'm going to tell you now is the best way to get back on top is to win. Now, I let my partner down, but I can't let Outlaw Nation down a second time, and I can't let the Four Horsemen down a second time. We got to get belts around our waist. That's what the strength of the faction is. And if I'm going to lead, if I'm going to be a real leader, then I got to win. That's how it works.
Ugh.
They just like
This was hard too.
Yeah, this was hard.
Those are like my
This-
two favorite
this was very hard.
players. No, not my two favorite. Up there. We're in the top 5.
Somebody is out there that will take me and make me better than the two of you have. I know that they are out there. Anyone, any team.
Oh shit.
I'm yours right now. Come and get it. Come and get the new championship.
That never gets old.
No!
This is the greatest event that they've ever had.
Wait a minute, the Lions Den? What is this? The Lions Den is here? What the minute?
I love that he had the photo. I still just love that he had the photo. Like,
I just noticed how many holes are in the back of Tom's shirt. I've seen this clip maybe
It's his
10
lucky
times.
shirt.
This is a team. This is a championship group of guys.
And your winner, ladies and gentlemen,
bad sportsmanship there.
Alright, boys, so next we play top 10.
Again?
John Roca, again. I mean, can we finally just put these losers out of their misery
I
and
don't
just
know
get to
what's
the
going on.
tournament?
How do they keep getting here?
I don't know. How many times
Because
are we
These
gonna
guys
do
got
it?
with
this.
Karloff.
They're not gonna.
We didn't lose in the first
Not gonna
round. We
do
know
it.
we want the belt. We said 4 matches. Now we're down to 3. That's how it works, and we want that belt. We want the belts, rather. We want the Patriots again. I want to show them what I can do. I'm so driven, like I've never been driven before, like the old school stuff, and I want to kick the shit out of the Patriots, and that's my personal choice.
If top 10 does win the whole tournament, that's going to be very interesting and spectacular.
oh,
It's
yeah.
not gonna happen.
The hype is so real right
Oh god, yeah.
Let's do this.
I love the
Here
Schmoedown.
we
Come
go.
on, baby. Here we go. Opportunity, bless my soul.
now. Oh my god.
Here we go. This is the first time Burnett and Roca have ever faced off.
Yeah.
That's true.
Welcome back to the movie trivia Schmoedown. It's the ultimate Schmoedown. It is still round number 2, and my God, it's grudge match time here. It's top 10. Blofeld's Cat, the Lion's Den, and top 10 going at it again.
There is a lot of energy backstage for this one, Christian. These are some champions. These are some superstars of this game. And when they get in the same place, there's a lot of history, there's a lot of aggression, there's a lot of anger, and there's a lot of correct answers.
All right, so guys,
Here we
if you know
go.
anything about this league, you know that John Roca has wanted to be champion for a very long time, and he did that. He did it twice. He won the team championship with Matt Nost, and he won the singles championship. Since then, he had a little bit of a rocky road. He got back on track with their victory against Real Rejects. But in that time,
Yeah,
when the
against Real Rejects.
Robert Meyer Burnett turned
Well, let's
on John
give Real
Roca
Rejects
after beating
some credit.
Lions Den.
Yeah.
Now, Dagnino
Wasn't
here today. I don't know
a slaughter like everyone thought it was going to be.
They did a lot better than
Ooh.
people expected, that's for sure.
Oh, Dagnito's not there.
But
Mhm.
it's one of these things,
Ooh.
man, what's going to happen when Andrejko and Burnett face
That
up
could
against
spell
Nost and
disaster.
Roca, who have
It will not spell anything but success.
I could give you a solid pick. All 4 of these competitors, and these 2
You can't spell Dagnino without no, Chris Clark.
will the emotions
You can't spell Robert Meyer
will
Burnett without.
fall off the focus train
Yeah.
and lose track.
I don't know where I was going with that.
If you look at it,
This is gonna be good. Though.
This is gonna be good. Right? So Burnett has also achieved it with the Intergeekdom Championship. But Andreyko is a guy with all the potential, but has not hit it yet. This tournament could be his road there. We're going to see, but there's obviously a lot of smack talk between these teams, and we're going to show you it right now.
Well, Matt, here we go again.
Once again.
Back into another tournament. Back into another second round. What do we meet? Blofeld's Pussycat? I don't know, what is this thing?
Seriously, what kind of art school reject named this fucking team? Are you kidding me? Blofeld's cat. Is that
Bubba's
supposed to strike
feline?
fear in who? Garfield?
You know, guys, how hilarious that to find someone good enough to compete with us, we have to just find more teams within the Lion's Den. It is so pathetic. And here we are. How handsome are these two guys behind me? Look at these get-ups.
Matt, we're facing one of our former horsemen, the ensign.
It's the first time he's faced a full horseman.
Robert Meyer Burnett. He lost.
Yep.
He's got.
I was really looking forward to Roka versus Bibbs, but we might have to wait.
We might not get that.
I would like to just not think about that right now.
This is going to be the
I don't want to break your heart any more than it's already been broken.
Kristen, the damage has already been done.
Well, I feel fantastic.
Sigh.
I mean, I see this as the true end of Four Horsemen. I mean,
But I'm not going to need to do that anymore after this match.
And now my old teammates.
Wait a minute, did he just?
Yeah, he just criticized. He said this is the true end of Full Horseman.
I don't. But Roka used to drive a train to Hogwarts in his mind. and that was something that I never really understood.
Oh my.
We're taking on a new section of the Lions Den. Yeah. And we're going to beat this section of the Lions Den. We'll take on the next counterparts from the Lions Den and whoever else Commissioner decides to throw our way. We got no problem with that. We're going to take him out. Because guess what? You left the Horsemen, and what happened since?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. What's going to happen again? Nothing.
The only people that are going to take on the Patriots is us, is Blofeld's cat. Top 10 is merely, it's kind of like when Daenerys Targaryen stepped onto Dragonstone and she had to go up those long stairs. Top 10 is like the first stair. Once you step over that stair, the castle is yours. The castle is ours, my friends. It's ours.
Great.
That's all we're going to do right there. Number one. That's what we're here for. We're here to win. So let's take care of these assholes today and whoever the next assholes are and the assholes after that. Because we're going to have those belts back across our waist. Just you wait.
Yes.
Started raining.
A lot of shots taken. A lot of shots taken, as we know, where the Lions Den, Grace Hancock, like I said before, is representing the Lions Den today, and they were just kind of laughing at Top 10, calling them pretty much has-been.
I can't wait for this.
The Lions Den has beaten Tourney twice before, and Burnett basically taking his shots and saying that he was a horseman, and then the leadership skills of Roka made him go and find a real team. And then you got Nost and Roka, who are just basically saying that this is going to be their step, their way to the championship once again.
And a way to prove that they are still on the upper echelon of this.
Yeah, well, it is. I mean, there's so many great teams. The winner of this plays against your buddies, Team Action. Team Action beating Team Trek.
That's going to be interesting.
Yeah, totally.
If Team Action goes up against Blofeld's cat, that's going to be really interesting this weekend. How we deal with that.
Guys, so I'm ready to go. Ken, what's the tail of the tape?
All right, tail of
Biased polls coming at you.
They have a lot of strengths, as most teams by this point would have a lot of strengths, but biopics, westerns, and whatever Matt knows.
Whatever.
Comic book movies, Robert Meyer Burnett brings that geek and
those
Greek
strengths.
He's not Greek though.
Hating horses.
Draco is a very well-rounded movie fan, so they are going to bring a lot to this.
All right,
I like how they have James Bond
listed. It's time for the movie trivia.
Movie trivia.
3 rounds in the team division. Introducing first.
Here we go.
Representing the Lions Den.
Look at how excited
What
you
the
are, Chris.
hell are
So
they
happy
coming
for
out to?
No defeats. Mark the
Meow, 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 meow. That'd be great.
And the captain, Robert Meyer Burnett. Team
This is a weird song to come out to.
This is a really, really weird song.
The boos are coming.
My eardrums.
Oh, I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
I watch Grace slink around.
I just got banned.
I believe this song is from the musical Cats.
That's true.
Okay.
And that's probably why I don't like it.
Watch
Yeah.
it
I
out,
think
kid. You're
that's
gonna
a
find yourself
terrible
floating
musical.
home.
This is a different level for Grace. So Grace is pretty much taking the
Ha! He made a reference to Star Wars. I know that.
Oh, they're setting that up.
She's representing.
Oh, Grace is the manager for Lions Den. Oh, this could get interesting.
And their opponents, representing the Horsemen, with a record of 6 wins, 3 defeats, and 2 knockouts. They're the 2015 Ultimate
always just
Schmoedown
gets me, like, real pumped for
semifinalists
some trivia.
and the former
I can't listen to this in real wrestling without seeing John Roker and Matt Nose come out.
Exactly.
Outlaw John Roca Team Top 10. The former champions are here. Coming out to a awesome stage, Ken.
Guys,
We've seen them before go big over the top fancy outfits. We've seen masks. This is a team that looks like they're ready.
Oh, look, 2 Red Bulls.
Ooh.
They are confident. They played well against the real Matrix, and here they are against their former teammate here, and they hate the Lions.
Wow, they're well
You
caffeinated.
sure your added responsibilities
Yes.
here at Collider haven't gotten into your mind a little bit? No more than your jail time.
Oh!
So
do this.
Wait. So who's the real outlaw?
Oh!
Taking some real shots here. Real shots. All right. All right, here we
One that
go.
doesn't get caught.
All right, guys, here we go.
This
Ready?
is gonna be
Shots
good.
are being taken. Bad blood on
so
the table.
good.
Round number 1 works like this. The competitors will get 8 questions worth 1 point apiece. They will reveal their whiteboard to the camera when it is their time. They have to say it at the same time. 15 seconds to answer the question. Do not forget about the JTE rule or the challenge rule. If you don't know those rules, ask and I will tell you what they are. All right, here we go. So, top 10. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Blofeld's Cat, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, indeed.
Let's get ready
this
to
going.
Schmoedown! Here we go. Question number 1 in the category of action adventure. Action adventure. Which movie star was mentioned to have been the president in the action film Demolition Man?
I have no idea. But you guys
Oh, come on.
You guys, Robert knows this. Robert knows this.
I love this movie.
4, 3,
3.
2, 1. Pens down, please.
Stallone?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
That's
I put
correct.
real life actor / president Ronald
Robert?
Reagan.
That's correct.
Nope, Schwarzenegger.
And
I knew
there
it.
you go.
I like my answer better.
Which is funny because he later on went into politics and became the governor of California, which is the most he can do being American born. Ooh, is it who I'm thinking it is? Is it who I'm thinking it is?
I've seen this movie. It's great, but I forget who played the police captain.
I'm trying to.
And 5.
I'm assuming the one that he talks to is the police captain, otherwise I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
And 1.
Forrest Whitaker.
Yeah, Forrest Whitaker.
Yes, Kiefer Sutherland.
Incorrect.
No, he was the...
Forrest Whitaker.
That's correct. And Draco.
Nice.
All right, yeah, Forrest
We'll
Whitaker.
take that. And Nose.
Al Pacino.
No, incorrect. All right.
Oh.
So, the fact that Roca screamed at Andreyko and Andreyko got scared and put it
It's weird that they accepted
was
F.
amazing.
Whitaker.
All right, here we go. Next one.
It's
Drama,
not weird. It's
drama.
good.
Who played
It's good.
Eddie's
That's gonna be a
jumping
controversy.
coach in Eddie the Eagle? I mean, that was one of the funnier moments.
What the fuck is Eddie the Eagle?
We literally talked about it about
3.
We did.
an hour ago.
Oh yeah, we did. We did.
Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman.
It's your check. Okay.
Nice.
That
This is a good match.
Going into fantasy sci-fi.
All right, fantasy sci-fi for question 4. Who plays Serlena's two-headed servant Scrad in Men in Black 2?
Oh,
Man, this
fuck,
is
what's
just
his
my
name?
round 1.
Fuck.
Come on. I know this. I know
I don't.
this.
I don't know the guy's name. I could picture him at a lineup, and
I have no idea.
4,
And Draco knows it at least, thank God. Robert, I hope you got a good educated guess. I know you got that, didn't you? I know you got that.
Johnny Knoxville.
Johnny Knoxville.
Oh, yes. Nice. Yes. Yes.
Damn.
Going up by 1 point here over
lead,
Blofeld's
baby.
catch. Going into the next question of comic book movies. Comic book movies.
You're fine, Robert.
Who
You're fine.
played Dick
You're gonna get
Grayson
this.
in Batman Forever.
Are you kidding me? That's a give me.
Man.
Oh my god, why am I blanking on this?
Shame on you.
3, 2, 1. Pens down, please.
Chris O'Donnell.
Chris O'Donnell.
Correct.
God
Yes.
damn it.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Wow. So the comic book guy missed that one.
Come on, Robert. You got this.
Come on.
9-7.
Perfect.
I'm the idiot. Roca and Draco have not missed.
All right, guys. 6th question. Category is
Ooh.
movie taglines. What 90s movie had the following tagline? His life was in their hands. Now her toe is in the mail.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, of course.
I don't know.
His life wasn't now her toe is in the... Fuck.
That's one, sure.
What 1990s movie had the following tagline? His life was in their hands. Now her toe is in the mail.
It's gonna be a really obvious one.
Probably.
5, 4.
I hope he didn't waste it.
At least one of us knows.
2.
He wasted it.
And 1. Pens down, Burnett. And
The Big Lebowski.
Correct, Roca.
Woo! Yes!
Draco. Incorrect.
Big Lebowski.
Wow, look at that.
Damn.
4-point lead here, 11-7 now.
He got it right. You got really
Robert got
excited
that
about
wrong.
that. Robert got it
You
wrong.
got so excited
Wait.
about Robert getting it
Yeah,
wrong.
you got it wrong.
God, I meant this. I thought he got it right. I couldn't. Oh, I'm sorry, Robert.
Irene Waters, the Ninja Carrier. I've
I know
never seen this
one.
movie.
I actually know this one.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Repeat the question, please.
There you go.
Come on, Matt.
Oh,
Sorry. Repeating the question. Here
Has
we
he-
go. Who plays Irene Waters, the woman Jim Carrey's
He
character
definitely
falls
knows it.
for
He's
in
just
Me,
not. He's not
Myself, and
getting the
Irene.
name out.
yeah.
5,
Just write something down, man. It's better than nothing.
2,
No.
1. All right, pens down, and Roca.
Renee Zellweger.
That is correct.
Yeah, Renee Zellweger.
And, Draco.
See, I've never seen that movie.
Correct.
I've never seen it either. I just know it.
Burnett. Oh, wow. All right.
You won an award?
12-8. 12-8. All right, so here we go.
The way you said that thing was amazing.
Who played private investigator Eddie Valiant, who teamed up with Robert
Oh,
in Who
come on, man.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, this is one of my favorite films.
What's his name?
Robert doesn't know it. Robert doesn't know it.
Oh no.
No.
Don't make Chris cry, Robert.
Bob
I
Hoskins.
blanked though. I blanked.
Bob Hoskins.
Bob Hoskins.
Hoskins.
Bob
Yeah.
Hoskins.
Oh.
Oh man, Matt, you're breaking my heart.
Oh.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Up the pronunciation. I would have gotten.
Is that his first one he's ever gotten?
Yeah.
Yep.
In the category of classics.
What? Sorry, what?
Classics.
Classic.
In director
You can do
Billy
that.
Wilder's romantic comedy Love in the Afternoon, what musical instrument did
He does not
Audrey
have it.
Hepburn play?
Guitar?
No
Violin.
clue. Wait. I have a dirty answer. Jesus, no, this is just.
You don't have to write it. You don't have to write it.
Sax.
5, 4,
I'm gonna say saxophone.
3,
Violin.
Cello.
Cello. He was close. He was close.
Almost there.
13-9.
Blofeld's cat is going into round 2, 4 points behind. Oh dear.
4-point lead here as we get into round.
They got this
number
though.
two.
They got this.
The competitors
Chris, how you
switch seats
feeling
and we
right
get
now?
into round number 2, and it works
I'm
like
feeling
this.
like I'm
The
about to
wheel
drink
will
boiling
come out.
water and
The
piss ice
competitors will
cubes.
spin the wheel. 2 points apiece for
Buddy.
the category and the question. 6 questions, Ken. 2 points apiece unless you go to multiple choice. 1 point.
Did I
then.
say that?
You have a chance to
Yeah.
spin again if you don't like the first time, unless of course.
I'm giving you a hug from New York,
Top
okay,
10, you
buddy?
guys have a 4-point
Thank
lead.
you,
Should we
Lenny.
go first or second?
Yeah, we'll go.
Who are you
Go
rooting for
first.
again?
All right, here we go.
Top 10.
Fuck you.
But you're still my friend, so.
With that question
We'll debate that after we're done recording.
You rooted for above the line when I was Ooh.
Whoa, they're taking sports
But that's
movies.
one of no strengths, I believe.
Yeah, but
it's one of his strengths.
it is, I think.
But and Draco and Burnett, I don't think would be able to steal.
Oh, this is
Ford.
Harrison Ford.
Harrison Ford.
Yes, he was fantastic in that movie.
Which European countries did Team USA compete against in the Oslo exhibition? Oslo.
Come on.
Germany.
Yeah, it was Germany, I think, because they played Sweden in the finals.
No, it's Sweden.
It's Sweden.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty sure.
Or no,
You need to get it wrong.
Correct for 1 point. That was a good
guess. Yeah, Sweden is who they play in the finals.
John will be real mad at me because that's one of his favorite movies.
Love that movie.
1. I thought it was 2. Is it 1?
It might be 2, but I feel like it's 1. I feel like it's 1.
Woo!
Oh no, it's
Roca.
Oh no, you know what? I'm thinking of the first fight. Rodney Dangerfield.
2 points. Look at top
Nice. This is a
Shit.
good category for them. I did not expect them to do this well in this category.
Red Sox.
Boston Red Sox. Thank God.
Nice. Nice.
Last one.
That's for you, Evan.
What classic film star made his final performance in Field of Dreams? Moonlight Grand.
Oh my God.
Fucking
Yeah.
hell.
Oh my gosh. What a round. I'm
What
so
a
happy.
Pressure on Blofeld's cat who needs to have a
Look at that score.
All right, here you
Kristen.
go, guys.
Holy
Yes.
shit.
Give it a good spin.
Chris Clark, I love you. You're a great human being.
Okay, let's get this going, guys. Come on.
Oh.
Oscar movies.
Oh.
Oscar movies.
Oscars.
Can someone take
No,
it for
probably
once,
not
please?
good. Well,
They
and
took it
Draco
for once.
would probably be good.
I might do well.
Good. Good.
First one. For which
And Draco probably knows.
did Diane Wiest win a supporting actress Oscar?
Jen and her sisters.
There you go, 2
He
points.
beat me to it.
Oh, yeah, he
Yeah,
got it. He got it, yeah. Come on.
Right.
Come
For
on.
what movie
Come on.
did
This is
Julie
all
Andrews
and Draco.
receive her Best Actress
Mary
Oscar?
Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
5.
Because she beat out Audrey Hepburn for My Fair Lady, which she should have been. My Fair Lady.
She turned down My Fair Lady to do Mary Poppins.
All right, third question.
No, they didn't think
No,
she had
that's-
enough appeal, and they passed on her.
Ooh.
Howard's End.
Wow.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Huh?
Yep.
Ooh, ooh, Android baby, one more time. Yeah.
Receive his
Um, Oh,
In the
what's
heat
it?
of the night.
Yeah,
Oh.
that one. Fuck. You guys are beating
Really?
me to it.
In the heat of the
It's
night?
In the heat of the night.
In the heat of the night.
Incorrect.
I-
2 points
Yeah,
on
see?
the board.
I knew that wasn't right.
Look who's coming.
Man.
Look who's coming to dinner.
It
Incorrect.
wasn't Guess Who's Coming to Dinner.
That's right. Damn. That is right.
All right, guys.
What was it?
Fifth question, fifth
I missed
question.
it.
I missed it
Who won
too.
an Oscar for Best Actress in the 1971 film Clute.
I've never
That's
heard of
correct.
this
All
movie.
right.
Fuck.
All right. Your final
Wow.
question.
And
Category of Oscars.
Draco was
Won an
killing
Academy
it.
Award
Robert's
for
very
writing
lucky that he has
Fargo.
Draco on his
Oh.
on his team.
Chris, someone.
Chris Terrio.
That's correct.
Wow.
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 24-19, that was very impressive.
Very
Nice
lucky
little
that
run
he's
there.
got
It's only
Andraco on
5
his
points
team.
here. 5 points. After that big round by top 10, to only be down 5 points is really impressive. 24-19.
Do you think
here.
if he,
Yeah.
but if he got that one, it
Round
was
number
would have been 3
Here we go,
points.
Round number 3. Blofeld's cat's going to have to work in this round, but we have 3 questions.
Lilies
First
of the
one's
Field
worth
for
2,
Sidney
second
Poitier,
one is
man.
3,
Oh,
third
that
one's worth
fuck.
5. So they will choose between
Yeah, because it's Heat of the Night,
numbers in
Lilies in the
1,
Field,
2,
and
20.
Guess Who's Coming to Dinner,
First one,
and
2,
To
second
Sir
one,
with
3,
Love.
third
They're the
one,
4
5.
big ones that
All right,
everyone
so top
thinks
10,
of.
You guys are up first. Please choose 3 numbers between 1 and 20.
6.
6.
8.
8.
This is a lot closer than I thought it was going to be after that round one killing by
yeah.
top 10.
12.
12. 6, 8, and 12. And Blofeld's
I need like a ball or something.
7, 9, 13. All right, so Blofeld's cat here is going to try to
Oh.
avoid TKO.
Anything
I
can
just
happen.
don't. I just don't want to see them get destroyed. All right. I just want to see them win by
That's movie
beat
quotes.
win
Who wants to
close.
take movie quotes?
Alright.
I would like to see Blofeld's cat get destroyed.
Nah, I don't like seeing. I don't like seeing teams get destroyed.
So, category of movie quote.
I know. No, I prefer it when they're close matches.
Well, they wouldn't keep this to Friday. They wouldn't keep this to Friday.
I am a golden god.
Almost famous. 2 points. 2 points.
Yes.
All right, so now a 3
Good boy.
All right.
tie it for
Okay.
Come on.
with
All right.
9. Mark, you chose fantasy sci-fi.
I can't take this.
Oh.
Here we go, Mark, to tie the game and send it back to top 10. What actress plays Captain Carmen Ibanez in the 1997 sci-fi Starship Troopers?
Denise Richards.
What's her name? Denise Richards.
3 points. Blofeld's cat ties it up, and now we.
Oh wow, this is intense.
Nice.
This is really intense.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Absolutely, guys.
Oh,
You
man,
picked
this is
number
awesome.
6. That category.
This
is
may be the
famous
best match around
actors
2.
And actresses.
Easy so far.
Famous actors and actresses. 2-point question. Who's gonna take it?
Give it to Roka. Give it to Roka. Damn it.
Why? No, you give it to Matt.
Who played
2
Dr.
points.
Martin Heiss, a
Yep, I wanted him to go to Roka though.
2016's
Bill Murray.
Oh right, yeah. No, no, the debunker. Oh right, yeah.
Can you repeat the question?
Bill Murray's the
second one.
Yeah,
Who played
right.
Dr. Martin Heiss, a paranormal debunker in 2016's
Come on.
Ghostbusters?
Oh, Bill Murray.
That's correct.
There you go. Wow.
Yay!
Call. The JT rule helped him out.
Whoa,
All right, so now
shoot.
Blofeld's cat is in a position they have to hit their 5 points.
He did what I did. I didn't realize it was
All right, so Blofeld's cat.
what's it
you
called?
guys
The
chose
2016
number
one.
Murray.
13.
Yeah.
That would be 80s movies. 80s movies.
Okay.
All right, here we go. 80s movies. Name the 1987 sci-fi comedy that starred Meg Ryan, Dennis Quaid,
He's
and
got
Martin
this.
Short.
Inner space.
What?
Oh wow!
Wow.
Nice.
Because I've never
Yeah.
fucking heard of it.
That's the question.
87. I've never heard of
I
it.
didn't know that.
If that.
Didn't know
Top
that.
10 getting
Apparently not.
Top
Yeah.
10 getting upset here, and we now
Rightfully so.
we now get.
John Hoskins.
All right, now we get into number.
All they have to do
You
is
guys chose number
get the
8.
3 to
That
tie it up.
is
3 ties it up.
McConaughey.
3 ties it up. 5 wins it. If they
Ties
miss,
up.
if they
5
miss both, they
Good.
lose.
To Roka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In which movie did
Anything can happen.
McConaughey take on the role of historical figure Roger
You should know it. It's a
Sherman
biopic,
Baldwin?
right?
That's
That
He doesn't know it.
it's either Amistad or Free State of Jones.
5,
I think it's Free
Oh.
State of Jones.
3.
I would guess Free State of Jones.
Amistad.
That's correct.
Oh.
Wow.
Tie game.
Oh!
And now it goes to this. So
What
top
a match.
10
Oh my
All right.
god.
have a chance to win the game if they hit their 5-pointer.
Buddy,
If
listen.
they do not hit
This
their
is
5-pointer,
not happening.
Then we will go to sudden death.
I feel so
Also,
bad
if
for
they
you,
hit their
Chris.
5-pointer,
This is
they will
not
go to
happening.
the team scoring record
Hey,
with
they
this
could
team
miss their
combat.
5-pointer,
Action.
and then it's sudden death.
Wow.
Here we go.
Right.
So
I don't know if I
we
can
have
attempt, if I can.
category.
You guys chose number 12. That is movie
Okay.
characters.
Oh.
Movie
Ooh.
characters.
That's a new category, but fuck.
Oscar-nominated actress plays Bernadine Bernie Harris, who discovers her husband is leaving
it wrong.
in
No.
Sally Field. No, that's winning.
Say, I'm
So
sorry.
last one. You have one more if you want to use it.
Yeah, well, let's think about it. Oh, you said Oscar winning now. Is that what you said?
5, 4.
Nominated.
3.
Repeat the question.
It's the last one.
What Oscar-nominated actress plays Bernadine Bernie Harris, who discovers her husband
Bernie
is leaving
Harris.
her
Bernie
in
Harris. I
waiting
know
to
this.
No.
Angela Bassett.
And your winner!
Oh. They just beat the record.
Holy shit!
Holy
To be fair, Wolves of
shit.
Steel would have beat the score record if they had gone to their round 3, but
Action. Here we
shit,
go.
that's awesome.
Top 10 versus action. Here we go.
That is
Chris, if it makes you feel better, the
Defensive
only way
team.
that
That's-
Blofield's cat lost is
Sometimes in
because
this
they
new
lost
era,
the
Nick, you
new
overlook
point
teams
for
have been
record.
around so long. They just reminded us they are still
That
here.
helped you
Well,
at
it
all?
takes a great team in order for you to be
Does
able
not
to
help me at
beat
all.
the record against 29 points. Is not too shy.
Fuckity damn it, fuck.
34 now is the
Oh.
team record in a 3-rounder. They beat Team Action, and now they get to play Team
Sorry,
Action.
guys.
Blofeld's Cat had a nice little run there, but it's over. It's over for the Lions Den this time around. The Patriots reign supreme there. They are going to have to hope that Top 10 doesn't win 2 more because they're going to have to see him again if that happens.
Quite a rematch, but Team Action versus Team Top 10. I mean, that is going to be a battle of energy,
intense.
Desire and determination there. But Blofeld's Cat, I mean, 29 points. That's 2 points off the record, Christian. That would have beaten most teams.
It would. I mean, and 34 points. They beat Team Action's record. That's
Why couldn't Roca have taken
all right,
the
here we go.
2-pointer?
So now we're going to talk to Emma Fife, who's talking to Top 10, and then I'm sure Grace Hancock's going to have a lot to say with Blofeld's Cat.
What is up, movie trivia Schmoedown fans? Emma Fife here with
the
victorious team Top 10. They have done it again. John Roca, Matt Nost. What a match.
Thank you very much, Emma. That's very kind of you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just explaining the events of what we all just witnessed here, and it was really something incredibly remarkable. As I said last time we were here, you guys are exhibiting just fantastic teamwork all around. John Roca, you had your very first perfect round 1. You gotta be feeling pretty good about that.
I was. I mean, the question that I had to answer was a tough question, so respect to that. But like, just getting out of finally doing something that everyone else has done after me, I was very happy to kind of get lucky, because those are tough categories. You know, to know that much about all those categories, it does take a certain kind of knowledge and intelligence, and so I was happy to do that.
They are, absolutely. Now, you guys had an incredibly strong round 2 as well. I thought you guys were going to get a pretty serious lead with that sports movies category, but then I got to say, Blofeld's Cat caught up to you a little bit there. They were within 5 points. How were you feeling going into round 3?
At that point, it's just a crapshoot. Pick 3 random numbers. You have no idea what the categories are going to be. So basically, it's just hopefully you get something you know, and after that, we're just rolling the dice. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, and you know what, Matt and I looked at the wheel. I know we said to each other, we were like, there's not a lot of positive categories for us on that wheel. It's really tough. And then we happened to land on the one that I noticed right before I spun. I was like, if we get sports movies, we might have a shot here. And damn if we didn't get sports movies. And those questions, they were good questions for us to answer. We mowed right through it. But, you know, all credit to Blofeld's Cat. What did we say about Robert Meyer Burnett, Mark Andreyko? Andreyko brought it on the Oscars with Robert. It was pretty amazing, and it put us back on our heels going into that 3rd round. So nothing was a given. It was only a 5-point lead. Anything could happen, and so and it ended up working out. And of course, again, Team Top 10 went to the last question. That's just kind of our MO and pulling it out.
You guys must feel pretty good taking down Robert Meyer Burnett, former teammate.
Listen, I mean, we're used to them losing, so it wasn't, you know, like, you leave the horsemen, this is what happens. We try to do it here. We try to give you the advice. We try to give you the knowledge that you need. If you don't take it and you leave us, you see what happens. We saw it already with a certain somebody in their first round match. That's just what happens. Matt and I care about our teammates. We want to recruit, find the right people. If you can't respect what we bring to the table, if we can't show you what we bring to the table, you don't want to listen, there's not much we can do about it. And hey, just here's a newsflash, and Emma, I don't mean to take your job from you, but 34 points. We broke the record. Hey, Team Little Babies, we just broke your record, right? We just smacked you, we pulled down your little pants, your little Target suit wearing pants, and spanked your bottoms. We broke that record, and we broke the team record. And what did I say? All the belts, all the records from day 1. That's what I said. And look, I just got another one in my pocket.
Team Little Babies is Team Action, in case anybody was unclear about.
Damn, team can't get no action.
My new favorite rivalry.
That's right.
Oh my God.
We saw them.
Again, I mean, congratulations on beating the team high score record, and you do get a chance now to actually take on Team Action in your next match.
Never heard of them. Don't care. Never heard of them. Whatever in the hell. I don't give 2 shits. Just bring it on.
I love it.
Next competitor.
Yeah. Well, listen. What did we say? What did you guys have been talking all your mess? You've been poking that stick in the lion's cage. Well, now you got us. Now you got us. Now what are you gonna do? Because see, you can talk all you want, but once the match starts, it's a whole nother ball game. Mike Tyson, the great Mike Tyson, the baddest man on the planet, said it once. Everybody's got a plan till they get punched in the mouth. And boys, we're gonna punch you so hard in the mouth during that match. Get ready.
Except not actually poking the stick in the lion's cage, because we wouldn't want to associate you guys with the despicable lion's den.
No, I'm saying they're poking the stick in our cage.
In your cage,
yeah, and
right.
so we're gonna rip
Excellent.
their...
Well, speaking of the lion's den, I guess we'll be back with their pitch hitter manager, Grace Hancock, who I assume is also conducting their interviews today.
Oh, thank you so much, you adorable dollar store Luna Lovegood. I'm Grace Hancock here with Blofeld. Okay, guys, look, this wasn't actually how we hoped this would go.
She is so good at
Right
this.
at the top, 29 points.
Yeah. She is not like
2
this
points away from the record.
in real life.
To
She
be
is so
the
good
losing
at
team
this.
with 29 points is super impressive. I'm really proud of you guys. You guys were biting at their ankles the whole time like little rabbit chihuahuas.
Like little
and I
Emma
loved
Fifes?
it. Exactly. R&B, I mean, there was a couple, you stumbled a little in the first round. There was a couple easier questions that maybe I think you should have gotten.
There were two that spell water and spell air.
You know, look, Chris.
What happened there?
Sometimes you see people's faces, like Bob Hoskins. Of course I know. Long Good Friday. It's the same thing that happened to me when it was Billy D. Williams when I was asked who was Harvey Dent in Batman. You see his face and you just can't. Maybe it's because I really have grown too old. But you never know. I'm coming back, and by the way, I did know a lot of those Oscar questions you were spouting out.
You guys killed an Oscar round. You guys only missed one in that round.
Yeah, and that was actually my fault too. You would have known Lilies of the Field. We should have conferred more.
Yeah, what happened there? I saw that you guys didn't talk that much.
But I wasn't 100% about Lilies of the Field. And then in the heat of the night, when you're under that pressure,
Carol O'Connor won.
Great movies begetting great movies makes you overthink things a little in those rounds. So.
All right, fine. So 34 points, but come on. I mean, these two nerdy Boy Scouts, they're overrated. Am I right? Come on, top 10.
They still scored. They still scored 29 points.
Man, I mean, these are my
teammates. Yeah,
that's
29 points is
34 points
enough to have won any of the other matches, really.
Exactly.
Well, in theory.
Again, look at it. The team that beat them had to break the points record to beat them.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter
That's
how many points
not
they score because what's going to
something.
happen?
Well, I think we all know what's going to happen at the tournament.
Yeah, we're going to be represented by our team.
No, I mean,
the Lions
when
Den,
they
so
get
we'll be
back
there in
in
spirit and we'll be there
regular
cheering them on.
season
So,
play,
there's
I would
absolutely
love to
no
see
shame
Blofeld's
here.
cat play some
No
more.
shame here. There's no way. And
People
the
should
Patriots are
be
gonna win anyway, so it's all good.
scared.
But you know what? You guys are not going to be gone for long because you both are going to be competing in the singles tournament. How are you both feeling about this?
I'm always nervous before these things, and they can
gonna
turn
be
on a
great.
dime. And going up against Rachel Cushing is going to be a challenge.
Mark,
She's
did great.
pretty good, so I
Ooh,
never assume anything.
that's
I know
going to
that
be a
stuff.
good match.
That's a great sassy
That's
going to be
good.
good.
You know, I'm going to be in the Fatal Five-Way. I'm really excited about it. I think there's a lot of tough competition there. You know, I'm hoping to see my fellow competitors really rise to the challenge, and hopefully, actually, I'm going to win. Come on. And really, when it comes right down to it, at the end of all of this, the real thing that people should remember is we defeated Hector Navarro in teams.
All right, so there you go. Top 10.
That's all we wanted.
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it. That's what I needed.
That's beautiful.
But Grace Hancock is, it's weird. She gave a little bit of shade to Burnett there, but it was I don't know if that was anything in particular, but there was but Burnett was fine. He did a good job, and then Draco did fine too. But a little shade thrown towards Burnett. I don't know if it was necessary.
Don't overthink it.
Fired up.
Overthink it.
Now I'm overthinking that.
All right. Well, that's
Clark isn't going to sleep at all tonight.
We are now going
I'm not going to sleep for the next fucking month.
Okay, singles will be here before you know it, man.
Yeah.
What the hell is going to happen with that match?
Oh man, look at that bracket. Look at that bracket.
The only team I have left is top 10.
That bracket is a mess.
And a lot of great teams, but top 10's done it again. They have now made their way into the semifinals they did
Here's what it is.
Back in 2015. Here they
Drury is my only hope.
They beat Merle and Riley last time, and they beat Screen Junkies, and then they lost to Box Office Breakdown in the semis last year. This time they get action. Can they do it? Can they get to the finals? We're going to find out.
Going to find out. This is why we play this tournament.
It is, absolutely. All right, guys, so make sure you go to the Movie Trivia Schmoedown Facebook page. Get over there, start the discussion. Also, make sure you go to the Schmoedown Rundown. Listen to Frank, Aaron, and Brian. They're breaking down the tournament, and if you haven't listened, you should check it out on iTunes. Check it out on the SK Plus channel.
They're great friends of ours. I love all
that we have out there, too. Make
Good
sure you
guys.
check that out. Check it out every single day here with the Schmoedown. Guys, thank you very much. Now let's talk to Josh McCouga. He's in the Fantasy Update.
What's up, movie trivia Schmoedown fans? Josh McCouga here with your fantasy update. Post Blofeld's cat top 10. All of a sudden, Blofeld's cat really did blow it out there, where top 10 has really become the most points scored ever in a match, ever in a team match. Listen, if you don't have them, you really missed out on a fantasy opportunity there. Mostly because I think, honestly, top 10 could really go and win you an entire league. You may not even need another team. If you had them, you could win everything. I don't know who you would trade them for. I don't even know. Maybe Wolves of Steel is somebody worth trading for. If you want to, you could probably go full Wolves of Steel, maybe mixed with a Nerds Watch or a 6 Degrees for a top 10 or top 10 vice versa. But I think team-wise, they are the greatest fantasy team we have right now. And that really makes my gears grind because I totally threw them under the bus a long time ago. If you need more fantasy updates, go to schmoesnow.com, go to the Schmoedown Rundown or Inside Schmoedown. I'm Josh.
Oh my God.
See you next time on the Movie Trivia Schmoedown.
Oh, God.
What the hell?
Perfect.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
I love it.
Alright. That was fantastic. Clark, let's start with you. How's it feel, buddy?
This match, let's put this into perspective. This match was supposed to be the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And instead, it was fucking Rudy. What the fuck?
Oh.
Matt, let's go to you.
This was a really good match. Blofeld's cat scored 29 points. That's nothing to be ashamed of. Come the regular season, they're gonna kill it. I wouldn't be surprised if they get a title shot. But top 10 pulled it out. I'm looking forward to action versus top 10 next week. And Chris, you saw decent movie news. I know what you're going through, buddy.
I know, and I just wish that they fucking won. That's all I fucking wish. What the fuck?
Matt's a little scared right now. I think we all are. Kristen, just yeah. Kristen's lost it. Kristen, what were your thoughts?
So, top 10 won. Yay! I have a team still in the tournament. Yay! What, my second favorite team is still in the tournament. I'm really excited. And you know what? I gave a lot of crap to Blofeld's cat, but they're a fantastic team. I have so much respect for Mark and also Robert, and I played it up a little bit because I knew it would bother Chris. And other than that, I think they're fantastic. I think if they had played any other team minus Wolves of Steel, apparently, they probably would have won and moved on, but they played top 10. And Roka was on his game, and when Roka's on his game, he's scary.
Yeah, I gotta agree with that. Roka played probably arguably one of his best games we've ever seen him play. Like that was insane. Like we have not seen that Roka since early in the year, late last year. Like that was insane how well he played.
He got the title.
Yeah, like that was absolutely insane. So, look, action versus top 10 is going to be a massive game. Guys, you can see our full thoughts on Monday when we upload our Reactors Summit. Until then, guys, for Kristen Smith, for Matthew Kearns, and for a very disheartened Chris Clark, I am Jacob London. Take care.